If you're using an iPhone 13 Pro Max and your photos or videos don't look as good as you expected, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the best camera settings for the iPhone 13 Pro Max that can instantly improve your photo and video quality. These settings are perfect for everyday photography, social media content, YouTube videos, and cinematic shots. Let's get started. Photography camera settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Now tap on Formats. Here, select High Efficiency. This helps save storage while keeping excellent photo quality. If you edit photos professionally, you can also turn on Apple ProRAW from this page. Keep in mind that ProRAW photos take up much more space. Now go back to the Camera menu. Scroll down and find Lens Correction and make sure it is turned on. This setting helps fix distortion when using the ultra-wide camera and makes photos look more natural. Next, look for Prioritize Faster Shooting. I recommend turning this off for better image quality. Now open the Camera app. At the bottom of the screen, make sure you're using the 1x lens for most photos. This is the main camera and gives the best overall image quality. For portrait photos, swipe to Portrait mode and take your shot. If you're shooting at night, Night mode will automatically appear when needed. Simply hold the phone steady until the capture is finished. Videography camera settings. Again, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Now tap on Recut Video. Here, select 4K at 60 FPS. This is the best balance between quality and smoothness. If you create YouTube videos where you're mostly talking to the camera, you can also choose 4K at 30 FPS to save storage space. Now HDR Video and turn it on. This gives brighter highlights, better colors, and more detail in challenging lighting conditions. Now go back again. Next, find Grid and turn it on. The grid helps you keep subjects straight and improve composition. Cinematic mode settings. Open the Camera app, swipe to Cinematic mode. Before recording, tap the small resolution button in the corner and make sure it shows HD 30. Now place your subject a few feet away from the camera. Tap on the subject to focus. While recording, you can tap different objects or people to create professional-looking focus transitions. This feature works especially well for product shots, phone reviews, and B-roll footage. After applying these settings, your iPhone 13 Pro Max will capture sharper photos, better colors, and much more professional-looking videos. Try these settings and let me know which one improved your camera the most.